So once you download this template, you should get the zip file. Now just unzip it and you will get this folder over here. Now just double click on the folder and you will find these subfolders inside it. Now this is the project file .dra file which you need to install in DaVinci Resolve, which I will show you in a moment. But before that, you have to install the font. So if you don't install the font, the template might not work properly. You can change the fonts later, but first you have to install it. So let's copy this font links to your browser, download and install it. Okay, now let's see how to install this template. For that, open up DaVinci Resolve and click on this home button icon so that you can see this window, and right click on any blank space and click on this restore project archive. Don't click on this import project, click on this restore project archive. Then just navigate to your download folder, open up the project file and select this .dra file and click open. And you can rename it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call this one test and then hit OK. Now it will be imported. Just double click on that and it will be opened up over here. So by default the final comp will be open. So if you can't see the name over here, just make sure to click in this section like so. Now in the timeline you will find all of these different scenes. There is total 10 different scenes which you can see just by hovering over them. And in the project bin you will find some of these folders like this edit comps, final comp and asset. And in the edit comp you will find two different folders, the text and colors and the media. So if you just click on the media, you will find all of these media placeholders where you can replace your media. And for the text and colors, you can change the text and color, etc. So that's basically it for this project structure. Now let's see how to change these images and text and how you can change the colors as well. So let's suppose I want to edit the scene 1. Just open up this edit comp and go to this media. So this is the scene 1 media 1 and scene 1 media 2. So this first scene will have only 2 media. So just double click on both of them and they will be opened up side by side. Now you can just import your media and replace it over here. So I have imported 2 images. I'm just gonna drag and drop over here and I'm just gonna place it on top. You can make this one zoom it and reposition it over here. Same for the image 2. So once it's done, you can just close all of them and it will be updated. Now for the text, just go to this text and colors and double click on the scene 1. Now make sure you have selected this layer, and from the inspector tab in the title section you will find all of these settings. So here at first you will find this transform media. So if you open up that, you can control the image's position, size, and if you want to control the entire image with the frames, you can control this global control. So in this way you can change all of this media, and then you will find this main text. So here you can type your text. If you want, you can change the font from here, you can change the color, size, tracking, etc. So in the same step you can change all of the text, and you can control the text box color from here. You can control the width and height if you want. Then you will find some color settings like this media border color. If you just change it, the border color will change, and then the elements color, background color, etc. and some light leak and texture opacity. That's basically it for these settings, and all of the scenes has same kind of settings. So this template is completely modular. If you want, you can delete some of the scenes from the, and then if you want, you can increase the duration like so, and you can create your presentation as you want. So that's basically it for this tutorial. I hope this video helped.